Narinig mo na ba to? Normal lang late magsalita ang lalaki. Myth ba talaga yan? O may katotohanan? Tignan natin ang research. May mga studies na nagpapakita na on average, maaaring bahagyang may huli ang language development ng boys compared to girls. In fact, mga 2 to 3 times mas nasasabihan or na-notice na ang batang lalaki ay may speech and language delay kumpara sa babae. Pero importante to ang average difference ay napakaliit lang. Hindi ito dahilan para isipin na normal lang delayed speech kasi lalaki yung bata. Ang more important question ay naaabot ba niya ang speech and language milestones niya sa age niya? Lalaki man yan o babae. So ano ang verdict? Myth. Ang pagiging lalaki ay hindi dahilan balewalain ang delayed speech. Milestones, not gender. So, kung may napapansin kang concern na sa parent, huwag niyong antayin lumipas lang. Don't just wait and see. Bring this up to your pediatrician in your next visit or mag-consult sa isang speech and language pathologist. Kasi sometimes reassurance lang naman ang kailangan ninyo. But kung kailangan talaga ng extra support, mas maganda talaga na maaga pa lang alam na nila na kailangan na ng tulong para matulungan not just the child but also you as parents and everyone in the family every day. Because early intervention gives the child the best opportunity to develop his or her communication skills. Save this reel and follow Project Playtime for episode 2 of Myth or Truth with Teacher Mariel series, where we will debunk common parenting myths with evidence, hindi haka-haka.